Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, a look at the headlines. KHADC collects 26 lakh revenue from toll gates, pledges action on illegal gate allegations. KHADC opposition demands expunging of point order over question hour dispute. Executive Committee to review opposition's suggestion on lower primary school administration. And the Commissionerate of Food Safety organizes a regional conclave on food safety in Shillong. And now the news in detail. KHADC Executive Member in Charge Enforcement, Winston Tony Lingdor, today informed that the Council has collected Rs 26 lakhs revenue from 16 toll gates for the fiscal year 2024-2025. Replying to a question from an independent MDC, Lor Shai Kharbani, during the Council's budget session, Lingdor revealed that 7 toll gates lease agreements will expire on March 31st. He also confirmed the existence of 4 check gates under the Council. In response to opposition leader Tito Starwell Kyne's query about allegations of illegal toll gates, Lingdor assured that the Executive Committee will investigate and take necessary action if any toll gates are found to be illegal.
The entry of vehicles carrying goods, but livestock. Don't look here, but the entry and exit of goods and livestock. The key borrow country to be against the but the entry of vehicles carrying goods, entry of vehicles of exit of goods and livestock. Runway to get the goods contacts with animals and aquatic entering Shillong City, but collection of toll entry of goods kepada report maupun tadi juga bersyari membawa.
The opposition in the KHADC demanded that the Council Chairman Strong Pira Karjana expunge a point order raised by Executive Member Pin Krau Boklin Karjarin regarding the number of questions asked by the UDP MDC, Equator L. Nongrang. Nongrang had asked 2 questions, but Karjarin claimed 3. The opposition leader, Tito Starwell Kyne, questioned the point order, asserting that Nongrang had not exceeded his quota. In response, the chairman agreed to expunge the point order. KHADC CEM Shemborlang Rinja later confirmed that there are 7 cattle markets within the council's jurisdiction. The Voice of the People Party VPP Executive Committee of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council today assured to examine the suggestion of the opposition that the administration of the lower primary school education should be restored back to the council. In response to a question by Nongpo NPP MDC Rona Kimdiat, Executive Member in Charge Education Iban Duplin F. Lingdor stated that the committee would consider the suggestion and decide on the allocation of Rs 12.5 lakh in pending funds to assist primary schools in need.
Kalkun notification di primary school la shinti no daga sokar jana du usam khandai spa Futsal ke KHADC kelas tang dan ai jinyarap primary school na du financial year japra aja khandau Haduk unta bakalabu cimbang lu kakun ke cindang pisah office. Kani kalong kung ke cinyarap di school bapak yo cinyarap na kanu ke skim sokar jana bah ini kisnya berada ke cimbang pelakiu syaka absan lang tingka pak nak benta usnam aja absan labu absan nak pak ke cimbang kalong baru kat alam absal haja haduk unta.
Food Safety today organized a regional one-day conclave on food safety, focusing on organic and nutritional aspect of food products at Courtyard Marriott, Shillong. Addressing as a chief guest, Health Minister Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdaw emphasized the need for stringent food safety measures and awareness. During the event, the minister virtually launched the organic testing unit at SFTL Meghalaya, aimed at strengthening food quality monitoring in the region. The event brought together experts, policymakers and stakeholders to discuss advancement in food safety and organic regulations.
The point here is, if you are asking an ordinary housewife to engage productively in entrepreneurial skills, not just for the survival and livelihood generation of our family, but also to use her wonderful skills of traditional methods and merging them and converting them with the requirement of testing, certification and licensing.
Residents of Mopdeng village, located near the Assam-Meghalaya border under Umsiang outpost of Riboy district, apprehended two persons, Korenis Mukte and Jetril Umba, on March 25th, along with two country-made weapons and dry elephant meat. The weapons and meat have been seized for FSL examination. Forest officials under Sonapur Range, under Kamrup East Division, Bashishta, Guwahati, have informed that two elephant deaths have been reported since November 2024, and these persons are suspected to be involved in poaching. In this regard, a case has been registered in Khanapara police station. Following a protest by West Khasi Hills residents led by the Hinuthrip National Youth Movement HNYM, the organization met with the Deputy Commissioner to address concerns over electricity billing discrepancies. HNYM President Thailan Linkoi shared that the DC clarified that halting the directive entirely was not feasible, but promised to request the MEPDCL not to double charge monthly bill payers. The DC emphasized the need for a thorough review of the unexpected bills and urged residents to keep accurate payment records and avoid future discrepancies. HNYM has called for prompt resolution of the issue to elevate consumer inconvenience.
Kini kita siu mana ubnai kim da issue ban siu arsen. But kini kilongjing kiba la positi klem pada don gaying klem pada yok bantan egalaj kane pat kadai ka kamram jong ka office bakin pai. Pat kini kiwei ro kiba la shaot la duk meno naduk meno usnem naduk meno katarik naduk meno benai ro baru kini ro kadai ka kamram jong ka office bakin pai. Te lada kata ka record ka biang kemut kadai ka kamram hi opai ba bakin siu. Ndai lada ka record kam biang ban su pha huri hura ki sithi kumne klem da don kano ka jing bisai ka ba benia. Te kalong ka ka ba bakla bat kalong ka ka ba pensubsi ya ki pai ba nong sunong jongi hi porok kawai jong ka district.
The Bosco Integrated Development Society bids, in partnership with Shillong Traffic Police and students from various colleges, today organized an awareness program at Don Bosco Square in Laitumkra. The initiative was launched following a recent traffic advisory from the police, which mandates that children must wear helmets while riding on two-wheelers. Volunteers handed out pamphlets to parents dropping off their children at school, emphasizing the importance of helmet use for children's safety. Speaking to the media, Laitumkra Traffic Branch in charge M. Mirbo urged parents to ensure their children wear helmets.
Our traffic side, we request all the parents to instruct their children to wear helmet for their own safety, because the life is very precious, and if the negligence of the parents, it might be causing harm to the children. We are starting because today we have given the awareness to them, but from tomorrow onward they should wear the helmet. If they are failed, you have to take action according to the MEGHALAYA.
In its bid to send the message of peace and harmony among all communities, the 67 Battalion CRPF camp in Shillong today organized an Iftar party on the occasion of the holy month of Ramzan. Speaking at the event, Sandeep Kumar Sabita, commandant of 67 Battalion CRPF, said that the paramilitary force respects all faith and religion and to send the message of unity among different faiths. IG Danish Rana of the Northeast sector, along with all the senior leaders of the battalion, attended the event.
किसी जाति, किसी धर्म, किसी संप्रदाय के हों, सीआरपीएफ हम सारे एक ही रंग में होते हैं। अलग अलग पर्व आता है। कुछ दिन पहले होली आया, जिसमें हम सारे मिलके एक साथ डांस कर रहे थे, गुलाल लगा रहे थे। उसी तरह से अब ईद का महीना, अभी ईद आने वाला है, रमजान का पवित्र महीना चल रहा है। इसमें हमारे बटालियन के जितने मुस्लिम भाई हैं, इन्होंने रोजा रखा है। तो मैंने उनके सम्मान में, उनके प्रति श्रद्धा प्रकट करने के लिए पूरी बटालियन की तरफ से आज हमने इफ्तार पार्टी का आयोजन किया। गौर करने वाली बात यह है कि हमारे निमंत्रण पे नॉर्थ ईस्ट सेक्टर के आईजी महोदय श्री दानिश राणा, भारतीय पुलिस सेवा, उन्होंने भी शिरकत किया और एक साथ हम लोग मिलकर इफ्तार पार्टी किए हैं।
The CSC Academy today felicitated students from the Eastern West Khasi Hills district for their remarkable efforts in participating in the CSC Olympiad 2.0. The Olympiad, organized by the CSC Academy, aims to familiarize children, especially those in the rural and remote areas, with digital and online examination. Addressing the event as a chief guest, Anita Karpor, Deputy Commissioner of Eastern West Khasi Hills District, emphasized the importance of nurturing and supporting children. She urged all the residents in the district to step forward and ensure that more children receive access to quality education.
It is our responsibility to ensure that the children whom we say are our future, we give them the opportunity, fullest opportunity and time and space to grow and make a future bright, and make the future livable, and make the future a blessed one.
Pering Pale, a resident of Umpawin village in Rebhoy district, a young individual with physical disabilities from Rebhoy district, has stepped forward to urge the MDA2 government of Meghalaya to revise and increase the pension for persons with disabilities as well as senior citizens. Speaking to the media, Pale said that he has been receiving the same ₹750 monthly aid for the past 25 years, and it is disheartening that the government has yet to revise this amount. He further stressed the urgent need to enhance the monthly pension schemes provided by the government. The Super 5 NJY Memorial Cup 2025 Futsal tournament kicked off today at the GBHSS Chanmari Football Turf in Tura. The three-day tournament was organized by the ICFA University Meghalaya in association with the District Football Association Tura and the District Sports Office West Garo Hills. The opening day witnessed 14 group stage matches. The tournament aims to bring together football enthusiasts and young talents from across the region and to encourage them to actively participate in athletics and community engagement. And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 24 degrees Celsius, with the maximum temperature being 33 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity was 51%. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature recorded was 12.5 degrees Celsius, with the maximum temperature 22.4 degrees Celsius, the relative humidity being 97%. Meanwhile, in Jawai, the minimum temperature recorded was 15 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 26 degrees Celsius, the relative humidity 59%. And for the forecast in Tura, Jawai and Shillong indicate that dry weather is likely to occur at most places. And before we conclude, a look at the headlines once again. KHADC collects 26 lakh revenue from gates, pledges action on illegal gate allegation. KHADC opposition demands expunging of point order over question hour dispute. Executive committee to review opposition suggestion of lower primary school administration. And the Commissionerate of Food Safety organizes a regional conclave on food safety in Shillong. And that's a wrap of today's edition of the news. Thank you very much for joining us, and from all of us here, it's wishing you good night.